Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on some new glasses that I did receive from a company called Lensmart. Thank you so much, Lensmart, for sending over these new glasses. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright you guys, before we get started, I need you to do one thing for me. I need you to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and hit that like because this video is about to be super lit. And I know you guys don't want to miss the new things that I have coming for you guys on the channel. So definitely make sure you hit that subscribe. The company that I'll be reviewing glasses on today is called Lensmart. I absolutely love these boxes that the lenses come in. It's so cute and sturdy, and I know I'm gonna find another use for these. I probably won't store my glasses in it because I feel like I would like to use them for something else, like maybe jewelry or makeup brushes or something on my makeup desk, because they are really nice and sturdy and I love the color. So when you open up the box, it does have your Lensmart, whoops, whoa, has a lot of stuff in it. It does have your Lensmart glasses with this really pretty denim felt glasses case that is soft. So you go ahead and open them up, and it's soft and flexible. This is great for a purse or a book bag or something. I think this is great because it is a little softer. Open up your glasses. They do come in a plastic protector. And then it looks like the glasses arm has plastic protectors on it as well. Let's see what else came in the bag. I mean, in the box. Some stuff fell out. So this looks like it's just a duster for your glasses. So that's nice. And it's black. I like that. We provide the best of the best. Thank you for your support. So this looks like it's all information about your glasses, how to adjust them, and how to wear them properly. And this one says Lensmart. And this tells you about all their social media that you can join. I'll leave all those links down below as well so you guys can check out their social media, as well as I'll leave links to all the glasses that I got so you guys can check out the lenses that I got as well. So it looks like they did send me, here are 4 and then 1 more, so 5 pair. So we'll be checking out 5 glasses today, and let's try on the first pair. Oh, I'm wearing contacts. I'm like, why can't I see? All right, hold on a second. Let me take my contacts out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Sorry if you guys can see my ring light. It is late. It's like midnight right now, but I wanted to get these glasses tried on for you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. All right, let me tilt my head down so you can actually see without the glare. How cute are these? These are really cute. I love the rhinestones at the bottom. They're so nice and glittery and shiny. I love the cat eye, not too crazy, but just enough. I think these glasses are very, very interesting and will definitely make a splash. I love these. They are literally just glam enough. But still not too outrageous that like you could get away with these. I could definitely. I love these glasses. These are so cute. Love these. And I like the little zigzag on the side. Okay. All right, first pair of glasses, Lensmart. It's looking good. It's looking very, very good. All right, let's try the next one. All right, now these are much bolder. These are a tortoise shell. They have the little zigzag, not zigzag, I guess this is like a little wave on the side. And I love the gold accent. Anything with gold, I'm like literally sold. Ooh, these are dramatic. These are very dramatic, very bold. My lashes are like touching. I probably shouldn't have done lashes with these. But very cute. Without lashes, they would be absolutely comfortable. I'm gonna push them up a little bit more. Very cute. Ooh, I think they are sitting a little low for my liking. I would rather them sitting a little bit higher, so I would just get like a little post to hold them a little higher up. They're interesting. I'm not super crazy about this one. I feel like the shape of this isn't really doing much for my face. I have a very rectangle face. I think if you had more of a triangle face, these would work cute. Cute, yes, no, maybe. I don't know, I'm not sold, but let's keep going. Next one, a purple, blue, brown tortoiseshell. A little wavy on the side. I already feel like I like the shape. Let's try them on. Ooh, I like the gold accent here and the crisscross. Very cute and different. I love the color. It matches my pink top, I feel like. Very, very cute. I kind of love these, actually. I think these are very wearable and definitely could be every day because they're not too dramatic, but the gold is giving you something very different that I feel like people will really enjoy, and it'll be like a talking piece. I like that. Next one. All right, so these have a cutout on the side, rhinestones all around, and tortoiseshell on the side and on the inside. The shape of these is something I feel like I've seen before, but I've never seen it done with the rhinestones around it and the tortoiseshell. So this is very interesting. Okay, it's giving me sunglasses, but glasses that are prescription, right? Like, you want that sunglasses look, bedazzled, bejeweled, and doing the most, but you want it all the time, so you have it in your glasses. Like, wow, these are very interesting. I think they may be a little bit much, which is crazy because I like a little bit much, but I feel like these may be a little bit much, but I think, I don't know, maybe it's not. What do you guys think? I don't know, maybe I kind of like these. They're growing on me, guys. I don't know, you guys tell me. On to the next one. Oh no, this is the last pair. I just got a little bit sad. This is the last pair. Ooh, look. Okay, did we save the best for last? Look at that pearl in there. It literally has a pearl inside. Okay, we talk about attention to detail. It's the details for me. And then we have this brown, purple, blue, orange tortoise. Very interesting in this huge square shape. I feel like every pair of glasses has a different shape. That is so cool. Look, every pair of glasses has its own unique shape. I love that. All of these are different. So let's try the square. You can't even see the pearl. It's literally just for you. It's just for you to know that you have luxury behind your ear, right? You can't even see the pearl, but you know it's there. I love that. I literally love that for me. Oh, wow. I like these, guys. I actually really, really like these. These are bold. These are definitely statement glasses. The colors even are very interesting and different, but I do like this blue, purple, orange together. It looks really, really luxe. Like, I feel like it looks very, very luxury, and I like that. These are definitely a bold frame, but I actually like this square shape because I have more of a rectangle face, so I feel like it kind of gives my face a nice shape with these frames. I kind of like these, although they are definitely oversized and doing the most. I like it. I am loving Lensmart, you guys. This is my first time trying them out. I absolutely loved all the options. I think all of these options were very different and had different shapes and different looks and different amounts of sparkle and bedazzle and neutrality. I think these glasses are super, super cute. I think the ones that are my favorite, I would have to say, were the first ones. These are definitely my favorite. I feel like they're dainty, lightweight, and they just look good on my face shape. And I love that they're bedazzled, but not too much. You guys let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. Start up a conversation with me. I love chatting with you guys and talking to you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. It super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. And if you're already subscribed, make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube is out here playing with people and unsubscribing them left and right. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace.